Hi, I'm Dan Palomino with KW Big Island and the Hawaii team. Well, today I want to tell you about our exciting webinar coming up. And you say, well, Dan, how exciting could a webinar be? Well, listen, the number one question that I get here on the Big Island of Hawaii from the consumer is, Dan, tell me about short-term vacation rentals. I want to know more about short-term vacation rentals. Where can I buy one? Where can't I buy one? What's my ROI? What's my cash flow look like? What are the legal challenges? Like, is it hard to get a permit? What are the taxes and the fees? I get all kinds of questions, and they're always about short-term vacation rentals. So I thought, well, hey, instead of answering everybody one at a time, why don't I do a monthly webinar? And so that's what I'm gonna start doing. It's called Investing in Paradise, The Secrets to Short-Term Vacation Rentals. It's the third Thursday of every month. So if you wanna know about buying a short-term vacation rental here on the island and using it whenever you want to for your personal pleasure and enjoyment, but then making money while you're not here, then you're gonna wanna tune in to this webinar, the third Thursday of every month. But here's the easy part. Just go to our website, go to thehawaiiteam.com. Up in the navigation bar, there is a button that says Investing in Paradise. And in the drop-down menu, you'll see the buyer webinar. Just click the register button and you'll be in. It's that simple. And we look forward to talking with you every third Thursday of the month. And you'll be on your way to owning your own short-term vacation rental right here on the Big Island of Hawaii. Until then, if you have any questions or you want to talk with us, feel free to reach out at 808-913-0899, 808-913-0899, or thehawaiiteam.com. Aloha.